Hey Randy, look what's here.
Wow. Gee, what could this possibly be?
Why it's your Christmas, a post-Christmas gift.
Wow, for me. What could be inside here?
Well, open it up and we'll see what's in there.
All right.
I'll help you.
Let's try. I think I did a little help.
Yep.
All right. Big box.
Yep. Let's open it up.
I'm very excited.
Okay, now tell me what's this.
It's all about hemp, our brand new A&T Cooperative Extension Hemp Production Guide. This is very timely too because the regulations have just changed January 1 of this year. Wow, let's take a look and see what's inside here.
Exactly. This is all about hemp. And we have 6 chapters inside. And the first one is about hemp itself, biology. And then,
Well, we have hemp uses and marketing, which speaks to you about what to do with your hemp, helps you decide which type of hemp to grow, what kind of market you're going to pursue. There's also a chapter on regulations, which is very timely. Regulations have just changed. And also a chapter that we wrote just for you called Hemp and Small Farmers, wherein we tell you how to apply for crop insurance and also how to apply for your brand new USDA hemp production license.
that's true. And also we have a decision-making tools for you if you're not sure hemp is your crop or not. So after you know the regulation, the hemp itself, the uses, so you wonder how to grow them, right? Chapter 5 and Chapter 6 talking about exactly how you grow hemp for CBD, for grease, and for fiber.
Wow, this is fantastic. There's just one thing else that I need to know. How do I get a copy of this?
That's very simple. Contact us or contact your extension office. You can get a free copy.
Okay, folks, thanks very much, and we certainly hope you enjoyed reading our new guide and putting it to good use.
Great. Thank you.